Hello friends, myself Om and you are watching the YouTube channel Technical Om. Today I will tell you a great deal which is available on Amazon on the Great Indian Festival. This is the Samsung's newly launched Samsung Galaxy M31s. The regular price of Samsung Galaxy M31s is 19,499, but on the Great Indian Festival it is just selling for 18,499. The specifications of Samsung Galaxy M31s are 64 megapixel camera with single take feature, Exynos 9611, 6.5 inches Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display, 25 watt Type-C fast charging, 64 plus 12 plus 5 plus 5 megapixel quad camera setup, 32 megapixel front camera, 6000 mAh battery. The weight of this phone is 203 grams and thickness is 9.3 mm. The Samsung Galaxy M31s comes in two storage variants, 6GB 128GB and 8GB 128GB. There are two color variants of Samsung Galaxy M31s, Migrate Black and Migrate Blue. The price of Samsung Galaxy M31s in the Great Indian Festival of 6GB plus 128GB variant is 18,499. We can get more 2000 discount by HDFC credit and debit card.
This is the end of today's video. If you like the video, please click on the like button. If you are new on this channel, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.